Well, the number of unemployed people, as defined by the ABS, fell 9.9% to less than 500,000. It was the second biggest percentage fall in history, taking the unemployment rate to the lowest it's been since the end of the post-war boom. That is, the 1974 recession. And it's the same as it was in 1920. So, why didn't the Aussie dollar go for a bit of a trot on the news? Well, there were 3 rate hikes around the world today. Canada by a whopping 1%, and New Zealand and South Korea by 0.5%. And last night it emerged that inflation in the United States has jumped to 9.1%, the highest since November 1981. It means that a 0.75% rate hike in the US later this month is a lock, and people are starting to talk about 1%. Now, the exchange rate is a relative price, expressed only in relation to other currencies, and they're all going up. When all currencies rise, none does. The share market went up 0.6%. Booktopia sacked its CEO, Tony Nash, today, which shareholders might say is not a moment too soon. The share price has fallen 90% in 12 months. Bega Cheese shares fell more than 8% on the news that Victorian milk prices are going up 30%. And apart from that, it was miners up, retailers up, banks down. Global markets mostly traded lower, apart from Tokyo, and most commodities managed small bounces from yesterday's big falls. Finally, a chart of CBD office occupancy on the mainland as a percentage of what it was before the pandemic. Now, in Melbourne, it's still less than half. Canberra and Sydney in the mid-50%, Brisbane and Perth in the mid-60s, and in Adelaide, it's above 70%. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there, and don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.